Hello, Nurul Big Bay. I'm Double Hamza, and now I will talk about 3D printing. How we know 3D printing is the equipment that print the 3D forms. For example, 3D printing is when print a 3D plan of food or people organs, and also this equipment are very neat things are very neat equipment to architects or to people who create the buildings. 3D printing was created in 1980s year. It wasn't until the early 2010s that the printers became widely available commercially, and by this 3D printer, our people may how I said print a 3D form of organs. We may do a implantant, for example, when we crashed our for example bone of hand. We can print them in the hospital, another bone, 3D model of another bone, or when our kidney, for example, is very ill and we can't find the donor, we can print the 3D plan of this kidney in the hospital. Yes, that's all.